Watch this. Completely solved. Every single side. Thank you so much. Do it again. Yeah, I can do it again. Look, I'll put it in there. When I snap my finger, I reverse everything. Thank you so much. If I put it again, I snap my finger, it'll be completely solved. It's amazing, right? What am I doing? Yeah, I'm just kidding. I have two in there. Okay? I have two in there. I forgot to tell you right here. Put one foot on top. Step on it. Don't step on it too hard. Keep. Good. Step on it. Don't fall, okay? Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. This one. Everyone count 10 seconds for me. Starting now. Done. Now the teacher, you appreciate this a lot more than the kids. Step off. This is 1 out of 43 quintillion. He did it randomly. This one I did it in 10 seconds. What if this one and this one look exactly the same now? Because look, first side. Is that the same combination? Yeah, right? Two yellow, two white, two green right there. I got one side. But no, I remember everything. How about the second side? How about third side? One, you see that 3 white, and the 4th side, exactly the same? No, of course. Yay! Thank you so much. Can you see it? A little bit more? Is that your card? Wow. Diamond. There you go. You keep that one as a souvenir. Thank you so much. Well, happy early or late birthday. Keep that one as a souvenir. Give it a round of applause.